showtime, baby. What's up guys, Double G Bassin here, back with another video. And today we are going after some early spring walleye. All these walleye from Lake Michigan are making their way up all these rivers to lay their eggs. And the female walleye in here are absolutely giants. 30s are caught in here on the regular, and that's what we are in search of today. If we could catch a 30, it would be insane. My highest is 27. Dad, what's your highest walleye? Biggest?
Probably 27, 28.
27, 28. So we just need a couple more inches. A couple more. So we're gonna see if we can't get lucky today and maybe hook into a giant. But I'm done talking because I want to get a rod in the water, catch my first walleye of the year. Let's get after it and make it happen. Whew. Yeah, that's good. Ready?
4 feet, 3 feet.
All right, anchor's in. I'm gonna start off with this Fire Tiger flicker shad, because these never seem to let me down with these walleye here. So I'll see if I can do the trick today. Sucker. Well, from the backlashes to catching every tree in sight to fishing for 5 hours to only catch one sucker. We got our butts handed to us that day, but we're back out here. It's a beautiful sunny day, and I got a good feeling we're gonna get on some big ones tonight. So let's get to the spot, let's start casting and get it done.
Holy shit. That's a far cast.
Oh, that's a fish. Loosen your drag.
It's loose.
There you go. All right, let's see. Probably, but you never know.
I can see it already.
Oh. Well, might be a walleye. Doesn't look as golden as a sucker. What is it? Oh no. Oh dude, I think that's a walleye. The tail's all beat up. That's a freaking walleye, dude. Yep. Yes! Yes! Here we go. That is an O'Connell River walleye, folks. Nice. Nice job, Dad. See you later, Betty. Nice. Sweet. First walleye.
All right.
Oh, there's one. Good. There we go. Yeah, it is big. But it's a freaking big walleye. Big goddamn walleye, dude. Huge walleye. Huge, huge, huge.
Oh. Off?
No. Raise it, raise it. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Guys, look at the freaking walleye that I just caught. Oh my god, absolute pig. All right, this one's going back. All right, one last look at this fish before we get her back. There we go. And there she goes, swam off like a beast. That is one of the biggest, it's the fattest walleye I've ever caught in my life. I'm so happy about it, but we gotta keep fishing, get one that we can keep. Here we go. There's one. Oh my God.
Got him yet?
Yep, I got him.
Oh God.
Ooh, big walleye, big walleye. Doubled up.
What do you got?
I got a walleye.
Do you?
Yeah.
You need the net?
Yep. That's a. He ate it in the mouth. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Get him. Oh. Yes! Let's go,
Yes.
dude! Holy crap! Yep. Oh my God.
Nailing them.
Oh my God, Dad. Look at that sucker. Look at this walleye, dude. Dad just caught a giant. Holy smokes, Dad. There he goes. Nice job, Dad. Give me some, dude. Nice fish. That is so cool. He absolutely chomped that lipless. Yeah, there we go. But we're absolutely slamming these walleyes today. And it just puts me in a really good mood. And we got a really big storm coming, so that kind of is a little risky and freaky. But, I mean, when you're catching big walleyes like this, it's, on second thought, it's a male. It's definitely a male. So. Oh, we should probably go soon. Oh God, it's starting to rain.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. All right, guys, so we're getting rained out right now, so we're gonna have to full send it all the way back to the ramp right now. We had a good day of fishing. Definitely be back out here later this week, but I'm happy with the footage we got today. I hope you did too. Pray to God we don't die on the way back to the ramp, and let's just go. It's gonna be a crappy ride back, that's for sure. Starting to come down. Not terrible yet, honestly. I don't even care. After that day we just had, that was amazing. Those were some giant walleyes. Oh, it's so much fun, dude. We caught most of them on crankbaits. Dad caught all of his on a Fire Tiger flicker shad there. I caught mine on a golden lipless crankbait. Some of them ate it, but we also snagged some. So those ones don't really count. They're still fun to catch, and some of them are absolutely giant. So it was so much fun. But now it's raining again, so we made the right call. Talk about perfect timing. Probably would have got electrocuted by now. That all used to be an island. Land ho! All right, guys, so we are back out on the river for the third time. We drove straight to the spot that we were at last time when we were catching all those walleye. And actually, we're seeing sturgeon jump out here as well. I mean, it's pretty crazy. And as you guys saw in the ride up here, I mean, the water rose up like 3 feet. It's ridiculous how much rain we've been getting. Today, I'm gonna start off with this golden lipless crankbait. Seemed to do the trick last time, so we're gonna see if I can't get hooked up today. So let's get casting, get after it, and hopefully we can get on them because it is a nice day. We won't get rained out. We can stay out here all night long, baby. Let's get fishing. Woo! What?
Fish off the back.
Ooh, walleye. Nice walleye, he ate it. Ooh. Ready?
Yep. We're keeping that.
Yeah, boy! Let's go,
Nice.
baby! That is a nice walleye right there.
Looks like a male.
Yep, that's a nice fish.
Good one.
All right, guys.
That is perfect.
Yeah, that is. First fish of the day. And it is a gorgeous walleye. Look at the teeth on these bad boys. Oh, we're gonna keep this fish. The limit is 1 a day. They're trying to make sure that the population stays healthy. You don't want people coming in here, catching everyone they catch, or keeping everyone they catch, because that will really hurt the population. 1 a day, No more, so I'm not keeping any more. Definitely feels good to have one in the boat so early in the day. And hopefully we can get a few more tonight. Let's get after it. In the boat with us today, we got my cousin Graham. Say what's up to the people, Graham. What's up? We're gonna get them on some walleye today, hopefully. We got Dad up in the front. It's a good day. Oh God, I got something huge. Oh, it came off. That might have been a sturgeon, dude. I legit might have just had a sturgeon on.
Think so?
Yes. It was, dude, oh my God. There's one. Fish on.
Graham? I think so.
Oh yeah, he ate it too. This is crazy. Dude, they're loving this. This freaking liquids. Oh, no.
Was it a big one?
It was nice. God dang it, dude. This is crazy. They're hammering this thing. Oh.
There's no way we could land this thing.
It would spool you out in 2 seconds. Oh.
You got one?
Yep. Yep, I got one.
You did that?
Yep. He's coming up. Another walleye.
Shut up.
Yep. Get ready, Graham. Get on this side. Get on this side. Oh, no, never mind. I'll bring him to you. I'll bring him to you. You ready? Ready? Here he comes. Yeah, baby! Let's go! Holy, what the heck is wrong with that one?
Ooh, what's wrong?
Looks like he's got a tumor or something. Nice. Thank you, buddy. This is a little bit of a smaller guy, but still a perfect fish. But he's got this this parasite thing on his gill right there. So if you guys know what that is, let me know. Get this guy back. All right. There he goes. See you later, buddy. I really like this crankbait. Holy shoot. Let's go, Dad. What do you got here?
Open a walleye.
Oh, here he comes.
You see it?
No, but the line is right here. Holy shoot, what do you have?
I think it's a sturgeon.
Oh my God. It's big, whatever it is. Oh my God. Please don't pop off. You might have a freaking sturgeon.
Dude, he will not come up. He just...
Oh my God. Dude, what?
I think I have a sturgeon.
You might.
I'm
You
not
freaking
kidding.
might.
There's no way this is anything but a sturgeon.
Dude, if you catch a freaking sturgeon. Oh my God!
It was right there.
God dang it! Oh my God, dude.
Guarantee it that was...
It had to be. Had to be. Darn it, dude. I wanted to see that so bad.
There's no way this isn't a sturgeon.
Go down and then reel. Okay. Now just try to muscle it in, reel, and then reel down really fast. No, you gotta reel right now. Start reeling. Yeah, just like that. Oh! It made a boil. It might be a sturgeon, dude. Oh no, it's not a sturgeon. It's a wall. It's a clam. It's a clam. Yes, it is. It's a clam. What the heck? What the heck?
Is going on?
That's weird. Oh God, there we go.
Come on, sturgeon.
I don't think it is. I think this one's a walleye. It's just not big enough to be a sturgeon, I don't think. The hell? Sturgeon, I don't think. Oh, what was that?
I don't think it's a sturgeon.
I don't think so either. Oh, it's a big walleye. Get ready, Graham. You ready?
Yep.
Get him. Get him. Yes. Nice walleye. All right, guys, this is my third walleye of the night. Again, on the golden lipless crankbait. They are loving that thing. There he goes. Nice. Let's go, dude. This is amazing. It's so much fun. There's so many fish in here. That. Oh shoot, Graham's got one. Come on. You guys hear all them crickets and frogs back there in the woods? Oh my God, it's so peaceful out here right now. I mean, it's been a really good day of fishing today. Now we're just kind of drifting. We're drifting on our way back, hoping to maybe pick up a couple more, but we'll see. But it's been a great night. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We absolutely slammed the walleye out there on the river this year. The run is pretty much over, so we're not going to go out anymore. But yeah, we definitely got on them. Don't come for me in the comments. I know snagging fish doesn't count as catching them, but I just put them in there anyways because it's fun and they're big fish and I want to show them off. And last but not least, if you guys want to support the channel in any way, I have a website where I make a bunch of different hats, and this is one of them right here, one of the fishing ones. I have faith-based hats, hunting, and fishing hats. So if you guys want to go check that out, there will be a link in the description below. That would be greatly appreciated because I don't make any money off of these videos. YouTube will not help me figure out how to get monetized. I hit all the requirements, but they keep denying me. So please, if you want to help out, go grab one of these hats. They're only $20, and that would just help. That would help more than you even know. So I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, this is Double G Bassin signing out. Peace!